If you've ever repaired or modified an older Japanese car, there's a good chance you've come across these. Today we're looking at the Sumitomo HM Sealed Series. The HM Series is a weatherproof connector family that was used extensively in Japanese automotive applications, as well as motorcycles. In this video, we'll take a close look at how they work. Here are the A-types from that document. This color is called natural, but they're also available in white and black. These are the 4 Type B connector housings that we don't have for the video, but if you're a fan of old Hondas, you've definitely seen these. There's only one size for the terminals, 2.3 millimeters. As we've seen in other videos, these are also open barrel crimps, so one tang for the wire seal and one tang for the conductor. From many years of personal experience with these, I can tell you they're best used with 20 to 16 gauge. Now they're said to be able to use 24 to 14 gauge, but you're going to see in a minute that the 14 gauge is kind of pushing the limits of a wire seal. And speaking of wire seal, you can also get a dummy plug for unused cavities. On this cutaway drawing, we can see the wire seals sealing the cavities here. We can see the retention tang locking the terminal here and here. Wire seals for this housing, and of course the seal that seals the interface between the two housings, which is this black seal right here. Let's look at getting one of these things crimped. So you place the wire seal onto the wire. Now you can place the terminal onto the wire seal. And if you pinch the retention tangs just a little bit, it'll stay there. Now we'll get it loaded into the crimper. Notice how the seal looks at this point. And we have just enough conductor past the conductor tangs. And here we can see the tangs folding over and crushing the conductor. That's exactly what you want to see. And what you're looking for on a good crimp is good engagement on the conductor tangs and that they're squeezing in on the conductor. And you want to see a good grab of that wire seal. I wouldn't say this one's picture perfect, but this is a pretty nice crimp. Now that we have a male terminal crimped, let's take a look inside the female housing that it's going to go inside of. You can see the small tang that's going to retain the terminal at the tops of the holes. We need the terminal to be in this orientation compared to the housing. And we just insert it, it's going to click, and that's it, it's in there. But the question most people always have is, how do you get it back out of there? Well, remember that small tang? You take a very fine pick or flat bladed tool like this removal tool, and you lift up on the tang. Once you lift it high enough, you'll be able to slide the terminal out. If you're wondering if the female terminals act the same, they actually do. You just align the hole that's on the top with the top of the housing. You slide it in until it clicks and you're all locked in. And that's all there is to it. And if you need to remove them, it's the same exact process as the male terminals. You just lift up on the tang and pull it back. The HM Sealed Series is a great example of simple OEM connector design. with only a few individual components. It provides reliable, weatherproof performance that's helped it remain in service on countless vehicles for decades. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have many more connector videos on our Connector Academy playlist. Feel free to check them out.